In the heart of St. Simon's Island, Georgia, a tale of defiance echoes through the ages. 75 Igbo warriors, hailing from present-day Nigeria, enacted a mass suicide by drowning, a chilling act of resistance against a life of servitude in America. Surviving the brutal Middle Passage, they chose the ocean's cold embrace over chains and shackles. Seizing control of their slave ship, they ran it aground and with a unified spirit walked into the watery depths. Chanting in unison, "The water spirit brought us, the water spirit will bring us home," they disappeared beneath the waves. A testament to their resilient spirit, the site known as Igbo Landing in Dunbar stands as a somber reminder of their choice: death over slavery. These brave ancestors, the Igbo people, show us that the pursuit of freedom can sometimes lead to the most drastic decisions. A poignant reminder that the Igbo man's spirit is unyielding even when faced with the bleak choice of death by drowning.